In Book 3, Chapter 9 of Dune by Frank Herbert, a critical and transformative phase of the narrative unfolds, bringing together key protagonists and the climactic tensions that have been brewing. The chapter is marked by strategic preparation, existential reflection, and the onset of a decisive battle that reshapes the destiny of the planet Arrakis, also known as Dune. The chapter begins with an epigraph from Princess Irulan, setting a foreboding tone by mentioning that Arrakis stands at the pivotal center of the universe, hinting at the monumental events about to unfold. This serves to heighten the anticipation of the reader as to the significance of the ensuing battle, not just for the characters involved, but for the entire cosmic order. Paul Atreides, alongside his loyal companions Stilgar and Gurney Halleck, as well as a formidable assembly of Fremen warriors, gazes upon the city of Arrakeen from a distance. This moment is significant, as it underlines the culmination of Paul's strategic acumen and his acceptance of his messianic role among the Fremen. The presence of the Emperor and his elite Sardaukar troops on Arrakis significantly escalates the stakes, presenting a daunting challenge that Paul and his allies must overcome. Stilgar's sensing of an approaching giant storm introduces an element of Fremen's attunement with their harsh environment, which they plan to use to their advantage against the technologically superior but ecologically oblivious enemies. The storm's potential to disable the enemy's shields provides a tactical edge to the Fremen, showcasing Herbert's theme of nature as a powerful and unpredictable player in human affairs. The tactical release of the captured Sardaukar by Paul and Gurney aims to psychologically undermine the Sardaukar and Harkonnen forces by spreading fear about Paul's survival and capabilities. This ploy reflects the psychological warfare that complements the physical battle, emphasizing the multifaceted nature of conflict in the narrative. The attack on Sietch Tabr and the killing of Paul's son introduce personal tragedy into the broader political and military conflict, highlighting the personal sacrifices that the quest for power and justice demands from the characters. Paul's introspection on the nature of cruelty and the misery that he believes he brings to those around him adds a layer of tragic heroism to his character, illustrating the immense burden of leadership and destiny that he carries. The chapter's closing thoughts, reflecting on the nature of cruelty and the impact of individual actions on the broader universe, underscore the philosophical depth of Herbert's work. It questions the morality of power struggles and the often overlooked collateral damage of such conflicts, engaging the reader in a reflection on the real cost of victory. In summary, Book 3, Chapter 9 of Dune is a pivotal chapter that encapsulates the themes of power, destiny, nature, and cruelty. It sets the stage for the final confrontation while deeply exploring the characters' motivations and the implications of their actions, making it a critical juncture in the epic saga of Dune. If this video was helpful to you, please help out the channel by hitting the like button and leaving a comment down below so I can continue to make videos like this one. Thanks for watching. This has been another Bookly Crash Course.